Mama? Say Mama? Claire? Say Mama? Claire?
You lost her.
I know. Claire? Say Mama? Mama? Yeah. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Say Mama. 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 Mama.
How's that? There you go. Oh wait, here's a blanket. Spit uppy baby. Nobody wants to see you spit up. There's your tongue.
Oh gosh. Where'd you go, Claire? Claire? Oh.
Great, now I'm going to be obsessed with taking videos of her.
It's okay.
Claire. Uh-oh.
We're getting mad? Gonna get mad? Show everybody your beautiful hair in the back.
Her mullet. Mullet. Mullet, mullet.
That's so pretty in the back. Almost long enough to put a ponytail back there. Yeah.
Braid it.
Braid it?
Yeah. Isn't that what the little boys used to always do?
Have a little rat tail?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't think she's going to do anything else interesting.
Yep. Nope. We're done.